guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing some chocolate tea this morning with nice fresh coconut milk. Now, you may remember growing up, you used to pick the cocoa, right? The cocoa fruit, and we save the seed and we dry them out. Then our grandparents would beat it in the mortar to form like a paste, right? So after the paste is formed, then we roll it in ball and get this, right? This is good for making tea, good chocolate tea. Oh my gosh, guys, you know, I used to do it with my grandmother and it used to bond us together. Like, she used to tell me so many stories, and I'm here to show you how we make ours. Of course, you're gonna spruce it up with spice. We're gonna use cinnamon leaves and nutmeg with a little bit of vanilla. I've never had the chocolate tea, right, without coconut milk. So if you don't have coconut milk, maybe you can use almond milk. And I do recommend getting the dry native coconut. Those are the sweet coconut, right? We're going to proceed in doing this, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Alright guys, we're going to start by grating like 1.5 of this. What my cousins used to do as well, as suppose of making tea with the chocolate, she used to make cake. After she grated it and get the chocolate powder, she would make a chocolate cake from it. Trust me, guys, this is the real deal. And you know, if you want your chocolate tea to be rich, you have to use one entire ball of chocolate, right? Also gonna grate like half of a nutmeg. In 1 cup of water, we're going to add our cinnamon leaves. You can wait until those flavors start releasing and then we add our chocolate, right? While our cinnamon leaves flavor is releasing, we're going to prepare the coconut. And you can notice I strip off the brown part of the coconut, because when I'm making juice or chocolate tea, I like to strip off that brown part. I just think the coconut is much more creamier. You're going to blend your coconut in 2 cups of water. Okay, now that our cinnamon flavor has released perfect, what we're going to do is to go in with our cocoa. And our nutmeg. If you have cinnamon sticks, guys, you can use it. Growing up, I never have the fancy cinnamon stick, you know. We just chop out piece of the bark of the tree, the board part, yeah, and we use it. So since me grew up, me know about the fancy curl up cinnamon stick them. So if you have that, you can use it. Cover it again and, you know, just make everything come together. Add in our coconut milk. Alright guys, you can see how nice our tea is looking. What we're going to do now, we're going to sweeten and add our vanilla. So your vanilla, you can add like a teaspoon. And I'm going to be using sugar. If you want to use honey or agave, guys, it's up to you, right? And you sweeten to taste. Nice Jamaican chocolate tea, guys. Growing up drinking this with some bread and butter. Alright, so get your cup, and you see me have my nice enamel cup. I've been cherishing this cup from a long time. I'm going to, and we strain it to remove the cocoa particles. Guys, I'm telling you, so warm on the inside. See, I hope you go now and try making your own Jamaican cocoa tea. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.